As a parent, one is always hoping that one is doing right by one's child. The right school, the right food, the right clothes, the right exposure. And then sometimes you are gently reminded of the luxury that you have in being able to make these decisions. I volunteered at the outreach program for the Lego Hubba organized by Akshara, supported by our school Inventure Academy. Along with teachers and students from the school, we arrived at Handenahalli. The kids here were eagerly awaiting our arrival. This was a big day. I met parents of these kids who had been invited to attend. The aim was to introduce Lego toys to the community, to exchange stories as hands built, fingers touched, eyes saw, and the mind comprehended. To dialogue with the parents and include them in the process of learning with their child.
The Lego Hubba is a community festival in a government primary school where we would like children, their teachers and the children's parents to get together in the classroom and play. And the idea behind this play is that when you play with somebody, you build relationships with them, you make friends with them. And the intent behind this play is that parents and teachers, being stakeholders in the well-being of the child, if they are friends and they can talk more freely, then the educational outcomes of the child will improve.
When the boxes carrying Lego arrived, the excitement was palpable. Quick ripping of the packaging, and soon the Lego pieces were on the floor. Here is where learning and sharing began. The kids began to have a go immediately, while the parents, I noticed, were a little hesitant. To embrace newness in the presence of your child is never easy. I helped a mother figure out how to make the Lego bricks fit and got a glance of gratitude.
Each classroom chooses one story. They are one team. They choose one story which is based on a common cultural memory, and they discuss what story they want to tell, what episode they want to relate, what are the different components, the characters, the locations and the objects in the story. And then they take Lego and build that story and present that here on the stage and create what we call a land of stories. That is the Lego Hubba.
Soon every class cluster began their Lego adventure. Fingers deftly began building, chatter and laughter followed. I regretted not being fluent in the local language. I wanted to hear what they were saying to each other. After a point though, it seemed not to matter. Inventure kids and teachers and the Akshara Foundation volunteers enthusiastically helped build.
It was definitely a great experience. When I first came here, I came with zero expectations, just to come here and have fun. But these kids definitely, they were amazing. And they were so creative. And I tried to make a lion and it looked like a truck, but they came up with such amazing things from scratch, you know? And that kind of renews your faith in kids all over. And I think this is definitely a very enlightening experience.
In 20 minutes, scenes began to emerge. Stories were being narrated with Lego. Then came the presentation. At first in small voices, then voices that got stronger with confidence and audience appreciation, the stories unfolded. I found myself gobsmacked at what the kids had done. Village scenes, rangoli, farms, a story from the Panchatantra tales, a mela fair in progress. Modern toys telling traditional stories. The parents had got the kids to tell stories from their experience. This experiment's success was there for all to see in the models built, in the smiles between kids and parents, in the expressions of the kids that explain their models.
I learned a lot in the sense that definitely I need to be more creative, and creativity is a gift that can be found anywhere. And if you just nurture that gift, I mean, these kids could go places. So, you know, there should be more programs like this.
And here was another success story. Our children exposed to this learning, of sharing, of witnessing new once again. I saw our children a little unsure when they arrived in the morning. By afternoon, there were smiles all around. They enjoyed the experience. They participated in it. It changed them. It gave them a suggestion of another point of view. And that is what we all want for our children, these parents and us. an awareness, an opening of the mind to change, to experience. Sometimes you have to do what Rumi suggested: sell your cleverness and buy bewilderment.